If a machine could tell right from wrong, who decides what's right? In 2016, researchers at MIT built the Moral Machine, an online experiment that asked millions of people around the world to judge moral dilemmas faced by self-driving cars. Should a car swerve to save a child, or stay its course to protect its passenger? The results were fascinating. Different cultures made different moral choices. What was right in one country felt wrong in another. And that's when scientists realized, if machines are to make moral decisions, they must first learn the ethics of humanity. But whose ethics? Artificial intelligence learns patterns, not feelings. It doesn't understand guilt, empathy, or regret. It only knows data, probability, and consequence. When an AI judges a face, a text, or a choice, it follows logic, a logic built by us. Yet human morality isn't logical. It's emotional. We forgive. We contradict ourselves. We make choices that defy statistics because we feel. An algorithm can predict what most people might call good, but can it mean it? Imagine a machine deciding who receives a medical treatment. Should it prioritize the youngest, the sickest, the most productive? To a machine, this is a calculation. To us, it's a life. Moral philosopher Immanuel Kant once said, "Act only according to that maxim which you can will to become a universal law." But what if machines take that literally and forget compassion in the process? Ethics without empathy is like a map without terrain, precise but blind. We often dream of creating intelligence that mirrors our own. But what if, in doing so, we forget what makes us human? Our flaws, our contradictions, our ability to change our minds, even when logic says we shouldn't. Maybe morality isn't something to be programmed, but something to be felt. And maybe that's the one thing a machine can never learn. So the question remains, when AI learns right from wrong, will it truly understand why? Or will it only repeat the echoes of our own imperfect morality? Maybe the real question isn't whether machines can be moral, but whether we still are. Stay curious, stay inspired,